let's check out the two competitors. On this side we have High Roller, a 26-inch Voilamart rear hub conversion kit. The battery and the computer are in this pack. 48 volt, 13 amp hour unit pack power battery, 1000 watt motor, and this is why I named this bike the High Roller, just because it says it on its tires. So I've got the disc brake also on the rear hub conversion, and that has some pretty good stopping power to it. On the Voilamart rear hub kit, got safety light, got the display screen here, and it's the twist throttle. And here we have a new North Rock XC00 bicycle with a 1000 watt Bafang Mid Drive motor, and then the same 48 volt unit pack power 13 amp hour battery. Both these bikes have disc brakes for optimal stopping power. This is great to have disc brakes for your bike. So here we got the brakes and the thumb throttle, and this allows you to change different levels of pedal assist. Also is the on button. And you got your display screen here and shifter's grip. Check it out here, we've got the 2-inch tires on High Roller, and we've got the 4-inch tires on North. So pretty big difference there, twice as wide in the tires. And now for the official weigh-in. Let's get these bikes up on the scale, which was not very easy to do. And somehow they both ended up weighing in exactly 55 pounds. Right, I'm mapping out the course. It's gonna be a quarter-mile race because I live my life a quarter mile at a time. Nothing else matters. So in this race, North finished just milliseconds ahead of High Roller. We'll definitely have a rematch. Let me know what you think about the bikes. Which one do you like better?